Wealthsimple offers a feature called auto investing, which allows you to invest automatically without having to manage individual trades. Here's how to set it up. Sign up or log into Wealthsimple. Visit the Wealthsimple website or open the app and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Wealthsimple Invest account, which is their automated robo-advisor service. Answer risk profile questions. Wealthsimple will ask you a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time horizon. Based on your answers, they will recommend a diversified portfolio for you, typically made up of low-cost ETFs. Set up automatic deposits. Once your portfolio is created, go to your account settings and find the option to set up automatic deposits. Choose the amount you want to invest regularly and link your bank account if you haven't already. Enable auto investing. With automatic deposits set up, Wealthsimple will invest your money automatically into your portfolio, rebalancing it as needed to keep it aligned with your goals. Monitor and adjust. Although Wealthsimple manages the investments, you can always log in to track performance and adjust your portfolio or deposit amount if necessary.